Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome to another video. We're gonna do a quick unboxing of these Matchbox models. And today we are unboxing an '02 Chevy Avalanche, a red Dune Chaser, and a '70 Datsun 510 Rally. So let's kick started with this Chevy Avalanche in pink. Awesome vehicle. Not too many vehicles in pink. This one is a very cool one. Also pink bottom, very nice. Has a little pink job there on the side. Very cool, I like those rims. No details in the front of the grille, the lights, nor the Chevy logo, but okay. You can always detail that in. Chevy logo on the back, neither is it detailed. Like I said, you can do that yourself. Let's go with the next one. Let's go with this Dune Chaser in red. I have another one in green, which is also very cool. So maybe that blurry. There it is, Dune Chaser in red. I like that graphics in the front. This would be very cool to have in real life. That's right there, Dune Chaser. Awesome. And last but not least, here it is, this Datsun 510 Rally. It's 1970. I like this red color. Red color. I like this orange color with all those decals in the front, the great Rally decals. On the top, those I guess it's a gas tank, extra emergency equipment, tire. You know, so that they can it's a rally. It'll be racing in long distances. So this one's a very cool casting. It has awesome tempos, awesome, some decals, whatever they call them. Very cool. Now all of these are very cool castings. I recommend you to get all three of them if you can. My favorite would have to be the Dune Chaser. Just because I'm a fan of ATVs, you know, go-karts and all that stuff, so I would go more for this one. I wouldn't open it, but this one is an exception. I want to have one out in the open. Very cool. I like that chrome, you know, the bottom. There's a chrome bottom. It's very cool. I like the Avalanche as well. I like those rims, the paint. You know, having one in real life would be very, you'll be the center of attention, let's just say that. Yeah. Very cool Avalanche. That's very cool. Very popular. And this one is also a very awesome casting. Now, I've seen these videos in real life from the rallies. Now that is some awesome stuff right there. Now, I'm not gonna say I would love to be in a rally, but I would love to attend a rally. That is awesome. But the detail on this one is very cool. Just on the tempos, doesn't have too much on the lights. That's okay. I don't know what that is. That little point in the front. Doesn't have it on the other side. Or is it missing? Very cool. Datsun 70 Datsun 510 Rally. Very cool. So I would recommend you guys to take up on any of these vehicles, any of these castings. In my opinion, they're worth the dollar. Alright, thank you for watching everyone, and tune into another video. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and leave a comment. I'll probably comment back. Alright, bye.